Traders, yes, welcome to the midweek analysis. So we're going to have an outlook on gold. So as usual, this is gold spot and it is analysis now for the remaining 2 days of the week. Now this will be mostly from today now and the whole Thursday and Friday. So actually we're going to see what has changed from the weekend analysis, but in most cases we are still in the same projection as we expected, because in most cases we are looking for the 2900 as a psychological level, and we see now price has reacted at almost the same level of equality. We had this level of equality and the other one to the upside, and in most cases we were expecting for price to react at this level. So we see rejection, and the price tried to push beyond 2900, but the rejection occurred at 2942. So in most cases we are still at the same place. So now in the monthly time frame, rejection, nothing has changed much. And then let me go to weekly time frame. At least we can see now bigger changes in lower time frames. So looking on weekly time frame, we see this week tried to push to the upside with a very stronger, but actually price rejected. And if you remember, it has been more than 3 weeks I've been talking. So even the previous weekend analysis, actually this trend line was pointed, and we're mostly expecting price is going to react once it touches this trend line. So we see exactly price has reversed at this level of the trend line, and at the same time this level of equality, we have the static resistance. So we see a clear rejection, but we still have 2 days for the weekly candlestick to close, so anything can happen. But in most cases we expect this rejection is going to be maintained throughout the week. Okay, let me go to daily time frame, and in 1 hour time frame, remember, is where I will be providing those possible entry levels. Okay, so in daily time frame, what we see, since yesterday we had a sort of rejection exactly from the level of the trend line, so price started rejecting to the downside, and today we see price is still supporting the direction. Yeah, so actually we still have like 9 hours for the daily candle to close. So in most cases we expect the bearish momentum is going to be maintained, and the overall direction is toward 20 during formation of the fourth wave. So price is most likely to touch this level down here, the 2800. So from here we'll be looking for buys. So actually this sell is just a short term, or it's just a retracement, or it's a correction in the fourth wave, so it is not a long term sell. Then quickly in the 4 hour time frame, we can see the highlights, but everything remains the same. We see price is trying to turn at the level. So currently in most cases we see this trending to the downside, so everything is beautiful. So let us see possible entries in 1 hour time frame. Okay, so in 1 hour time frame we can see clearly what is expected. So we see the structure is very clear here. We We have a clear possible 5 wave move to the downside. You see we have finally wave 5 to the downside. So in most cases we are still looking for a clear structure in the 5th wave, and actually once price is out of this channel, so we expect a correction to the upside, then beautiful opportunity will be happening here. Sell opportunities now around 1905. Yeah, in most cases we can see beautiful sell opportunities. Actually it will depend on how far price will advance to the downside, because we still expect a slight push to the downside. So that is the overall picture. So you can buy just in a short term, because we expect the current movement to the upside in a buy direction will be just correction. So you can just take some buys in a short term, and we'll be looking for at least extended sell opportunities. So that's how things goes, and all the updates about trading opportunities are shared on the website. So actually visit www.asamforex.com, and you can just register or sign up your account in order to receive signals. But in most cases you can visit the analysis, so you'll see the daily updates and the weekly updates for the possible trading opportunities. So that is very powerful, and have a good time. Thank you.